Beanie dethroned Taylor Swift and become top 1. For the span of 3 years, malayo nang naabot ng Beanie, mas na-recognize na kanilang mga kanta all over the Philippines. On the record, maraming mga kanta ang kasali sa Spotify Daily Top Artist Global, Mapa International, and OPM.
2025, yung Spotify listeners natin, nasa nasa 500K. Guys, mag-manifest lang kasi sinasabi ko sa inyo yung ICQ, manifest ko, di ba nagkatotoo? Tsaka malay nyo, by that time na nag-solo concert tayo ng 2025, yung Spotify listeners natin, nasa nasa 500K.
At ito ay nagkatotoo. On June 11, 2024, a record-breaking, a milestone unlocked for Beanie, the first ever Filipino act to claim number 1 on Spotify Daily Top Artist Philippine charts, and also the first act to ever on Spotify Daily Top Artist Global chart. Many posted this achievement on Twitter, a record-breaking for Beanie to be top 1 and dethroned Taylor Swift. Congrats Beanies for this achievement and more success to achieve.